Hey, I'm Sam and I Do Design, and in the video today I'm announcing a new series, I think. I did one of these walk and talks a few days ago, and actually I thought it was really useful because I'm on my way somewhere now and I have to be so concise with what I say that I have to say it before I get there, so that's good. So in the last video that I did, I said that everything that we're doing on Instagram is just one minute, tiny, small amount of what design is. It's like the sketching and the rendering. And I'm thinking that I'm going to do a new series to try and describe the whole process more. And the way that I'm going to do that is by talking about my design process for the new Gantri 3D printed lamp that I'm bringing out over the next week or two. And I've already designed that. That's already been submitted in design and now it's being manufactured. But I think if I go and show you guys the process as I did it, but try and show the whole thing without sort of vetting it for social media, I think I owe that to you guys after making a big fuss out of not showing the whole process before. But wow, it's windy. I just wanted to try and describe in this little video here that I need to get a microphone. Even when I show you guys this lamp design process, in terms of the whole world of product design and the whole world of consultancy, maybe business strategy, market strategy, this lamp design is one tiny small amount of the whole ecosystem again. So when I show you this, it's like the dream design job. Gantri basically told me, design whatever you like, you're in charge and we will make it and sell it, which is the dream job. In the real world, when you're dealing with maybe corporate firms, like I do at work, with Christmas design as a consultancy, design is such a small section of that because you've got the whole ethnography, market research, insights, foresights, and I really don't know how to show you guys those things. Just know that they exist, know that they are out there. I want you all to check out the Double Diamond, check out that process. That sums it up quite well. There are lots of different ways of thinking about design. We were taught the Double Diamond a lot at school, at design school, Brunel. So go and check that out if you want to see the whole process. And then that's like the gateway, right? That's the gateway learning to learning the whole process is the Double Diamond. Once you know about the Double Diamond, you can go in and look at more ways of thinking about design within business, because that's what it comes down to. Design more and more is being integrated with business and business design, strategy design, things like that. So, quick summary. This is a long video to say. I will be showing you guys the whole process from start to finish of the way that I designed the Gantri 3D printed lamp, and that's going to be coming out over the next few weeks. So if you want to check that out, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button. Let me know down in the comments anything in particular that you want me to tell you about the whole process. I'm going to tell you where to buy the lamp. Obviously I want to sell some lamps. So comments, like, subscribe, bell button, everything else that YouTube asks you to do, and stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.